Welcome to you in science class. Today our topic is using circuit. Hello.
السلام عليكم.
Walaikum salam. How are you, Muhammad?
Fine, thank you.
Loyal Maliki and Via.
السلام عليكم.
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.
Walaikum salam. Loy. Open your books, page 88.
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.
Walaikum salam.
السلام عليكم.
Walaikum salam, Hatim.
أستاذ
Page 88. Using circuit diagram. Okay, diagram yani shakal, surah. Draw diagram of series circuit using symbols. Okay. Then the big idea is make a circuit from a circuit diagram. This is
Hello,
the
teacher.
circuit. Hello. What is a conductor? Okay. هذا سؤال. إيش معنى conductor? What do you mean by a conductor? أيوة. This is the topic of our unit, conductors and insulators. So what is a conductor? Anybody there? Muhammad, Dia, Hatim, Saud, Loy, Mishari.
Yes, I am here.
Okay, tell me what is conductor? إيش معنى conductor? Mishari. We are talking about electricity, yani kahraba, conductors and insulators. So what do you mean by conductors? ايش فايده يعني ما في نفر رد ايش فايده؟
Teacher مين موظف؟ السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.
عليكم السلام. Give me the answer مشاري ايش موفق يعني؟
It mean موصل للكهرباء.
Yes,
Conductor.
in English you can say yes.
Conductor is electric.
Teacher
Conductor is a
شموع
thing
يسطا.
in which
شموع.
conductor through which electricity passes through.
كندكتر يعني شموع يسطا.
From لازم يركز كلكم يا حبيبي. بعدين انت ما يرد. حاتم الامري اي يوم ما في رد. Hatim Al-Amri. What is conductor?
هذا حق كهرباء.
Anything through which current, electric current passes through. That is called electric conductor. Why insulator is? From insulator through which electric current does not pass.
Teacher, I know the answer.
Yes.
Conductor of electronic energy.
If you open page 77, افتح كتاب صفحة 77. هنا مكتوب الفوق اليسار left side. A conductor is a material that allows electricity to flow through it. Electricity flows through some conductors easily. This is the definition of conductor. Then on the right side, you have insulators, a material that does not allow electricity to flow through it is called
Teacher, I
an insulator.
Teacher, I have a question.
Yeah.
Teacher, without conductor, the wire is not working?
Wire is basically conductor. Inside the wire there is copper, that is conductor, and outside of the wire there is plastic, which is insulator. So
Yes, I know.
that is the combination of conductor and insulator.
Okay.
On page 77 you have both definitions. Conductor, a material that allows electricity to pass through. Insulator, a material that does not allow electricity to pass through it. On page 77. Again, I will not ask. Maybe Mr. Ahmed Abdul Wahab will come and ask you. You should answer in English, not like this. Can you list 3 conductors? Conductors are copper. Copper, number 2. Iron, number 3. Gold or silver. So we can name 3. Okay, now salt water is also a conductor. Hatim Yazar is there, Mishari is there. Okay. Then you have, can electricity cross the gaps in the circuit? Now question is, if there are gaps like this, if this is a conductor, okay, but there is a gap here, and यहाँ माफी कामिल है ना, फी gap, electricity will flow or not? Here are some gaps, like here is a gap, here is a gap.
Teacher, yesterday I sent the homework.
Mishari, what I am asking? I am asking the current will flow if there are gaps. Yani hena mafi silk, hena mafi silk. Current will flow or not? Aywa, come on. Yes or no? If there are gaps, yani hena fi masafa with silk, current will pass or no?
Yes.
Yani if there are gaps, current will pass, huh? This is like this. Okay, the circuit is like this. And here you have a gap. Then current will pass or not pass? Just tell me.
Teacher, is not pass.
Yes, it will not pass. Gap mean masafa. Yes. If the circuit, this is a circuit and there are gaps, current will not pass. Good. How can the, only Mishari is there today? How can the cars get to the other side of the bridge? Look, this is an example. This is an example. Like if the cars are going and there is a gap. Look, there is a gap like this. There is a gap, so cars cannot pass. Understand? This is how a circuit works. Circuit should be complete. Okay, if you switch off means you break the circuit and the light becomes off, light switched off. Why? Because you break the circuit. Understand? Electricity
Yes,
cannot
teacher.
cross the gaps, it has to travel through a conductor. Here is your answer. Electricity cannot cross the gaps, it has to travel through a conductor. Now, this is the picture of a conductor. This was the shape of battery, right? This was the symbol of battery. This is about bulb, and here you have wire. These are wires like these. These are wires. Then look at the circuit diagram. Are there any gaps between the wires and the other components? Components yani which are there in which we use in there. Okay.
Okay, teacher.
Yes. So there is no gap because this is battery. Okay. Then this is wire and there is bulb. So there is no gap. Mafi Musafa, there is no gap. This is the symbol of battery, the whole. This all is a battery. So it's mean there is no gap. This all is wire. There is no gap. Okay, now a circuit diagram must be drawn accurately. There must be no gaps between the wires and the components. Components yani ajza, yani battery, bulb, wire, switch, connectors, everything. This is because the diagram shows how electricity flows through a real circuit. Why do we use circuit diagrams? Circuit diagrams are neater and easier to follow than other pictures. The symbols are the same everywhere in the world. In the world. يعني في العالم انت تروا أي مكان في anywhere like America, Sudan, Japan, everywhere you will find the same symbol for battery, the same for bulb in diagram of circuit. So this means that a person can follow a circuit diagram without being able to speak the language. And if you make this and ask anybody, they will know that this is a diagram of circuit without telling them that this is a bulb, this is a wire, this is a battery. No, they will understand everything. The wire in an actual circuit, and I have this is grade 6. The bulb and other components can be spread out over a whole building. A circuit diagram uses straight lines and tidiers. Okay, now you understand how why we use circuit diagram, because the symbols are the same in everywhere in the world. Like the symbol of battery is same everywhere. This will show wires everywhere. This will show bulb everywhere. Understand? Any questions?
Yes.
Any questions about this? Okay, now open page 89. Yesterday yani أمس بس مشاري أرسلت واجب. باقي كله أنا انتظار ها. You must send me the homework. When scientists show a simple version of something, it is called a model. Model yani shakl or sura. Model. Okay. This is a model of series circuit. This is a model of the same circuit. If you see this, you will understand what's going on. Okay. Here you can see two batteries like 1 and 2. Sah? There are two batteries. So in diagram you can see two batteries. Okay, easy. This is ammeter. Here you can see the symbol of ammeter. There are 3 bulbs, 1, 2, and 3. In the diagram, you can see 3 bulbs, 1, 2, and 3. Then you have here wires, and you can see here wires. Wires are there. Any problem in this? And this is same. If you have 3 bulbs, and here if you find 2 symbols, that is wrong. You should check 3 bulbs, 3 symbols. You should make this like this, the same. Okay?
Okay.
Hatim Al-Amri. Halas, okay? Hatim Al-Muayyid.
Okay.
Okay, good. Look at the pictures of a diagram of a circuit, then answer the question. This is the same. Which of the pictures shown in the diagram? Which picture is shown? Okay, Abdulaziz is there now. Which of the pictures show a circuit diagram? Diagram is this. This is a diagram.
Teacher,
So
I'm
yeah,
sorry because I'm late.
yeah. The one with straight lines. And symbols. Straight lines and symbols. Here you can see straight lines and symbols. These are, here you can see these are symbols. Symbol of bulb, symbol of battery, symbol of ammeter, symbol of wire. These are symbols. Okay. Then question number
Okay.
2. Which of the picture is easier to understand? This or this? Which one is easier? Yani sahal. Circuit diagram or circuit, this picture? Actual circuit. Which one is easy? This one or this one? Give me the answer, ya Habib. Circuit diagram. So we will write here the circuit diagram. This one is easy to understand. There are 3 bulbs, wires, battery, Firas, and ammeter. The circuit diagram is easy to understand. Then write down 2 reasons why circuit diagrams are used worldwide. And if it's dunya, worldwide. Because they are understood in every country. Okay, they are understood in every country. You can write like this, they are the same. They are same and understood in every country. Okay, you can write like this. Because the symbols are same and understood in every country. Okay.
Okay.
Finish it and then we will do the last question, which is look at the picture of the torch, draw the circuit diagram in your investigation notebook to show how the batteries, bulb and wires in the torch will be connected. So you will make about this a circuit. So you can make like this, because we have wires, then we have a bulb, here we have a bulb, like this. Okay, this is a symbol of bulb. Okay, then we have wires continue. Don't give any gaps. Okay, then we have here how many batteries are there?
Two.
Two batteries. Very good, Muhammad. There are two batteries. So we will just make this here. This is the symbol of switch. Okay. Then we have here two batteries. You will make here two batteries. What is the symbol of batteries? This one. Look. This one is the symbol of battery. So we will make it like this. Mishari again. Okay. So this is the line here. Draw a line. Then here. Here will be the line. Okay. Then here the same. You have to make the same diagram in each place. Color it from inside. Okay. This is the symbol of battery. Then this is plus. And this is minus.
Teacher.
Yes.
Teacher, I am sorry because my phone is the battery is minus.
Okay, no problem. Now you can make it. So this is the diagram of the circuit about this picture. About the torch. This is a torch and the circuit diagram is here. Circuit diagram. Okay. Finished or
Teacher, me
not?
finish.
Very good, South. Thank you. Okay, now you understand that this is the symbol of bulb, which is here. Okay, here we have two batteries, 1 and 2, which are here, number 1 and 2. Then wires, here we have all wires. Then you can see here switch, the switch is here. This is the symbol of switch. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. So this is a complete diagram for your circuit of a torch. Any questions about this? I mean, baki, khalas wala baki? Who didn't finish till now? Hatim al-Amri khalas, Hatim al-Muayyid, Abdul Aziz, Firas.
Yes, finish.
We all finish.
Okay, Muhammad. Khalas Mishari, finished?
No, 1 minute.
Okay. So you will get this also in your Google Drive. I will send you the link. and I will send you the link for your this.
أستاذ كل هذا الواجب في جوجل درايف.
Yes, I will send all of it in Google Drive also. Okay, you can watch the
Okay.
video again also. Any questions you can ask in Whats, no problem. Okay, thank you.
Till
Goodbye.
finish.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Thanks for joining.